When it comes to upgrading your Crestview home, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is replacing old windows with energy-efficient options. In a climate like Crestview's, where the summers can get hot and humid, and the winters can be chilly, the right windows can significantly improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, lower your utility bills, and reduce your carbon footprint. With a variety of window styles and technologies available today, choosing the right energy-efficient windows can seem daunting. This article will explore some of the best window replacement options for homeowners in Crestview, so you can make an informed choice that best fits your needs. Double and triple glazed windows. Maximizing insulation. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by installing double glazed or triple glazed windows. These windows feature multiple layers of glass separated by air or gas-filled spaces, such as argon or krypton gas. This design significantly reduces heat transfer, helping to keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Double-glazed windows have two panes of glass with a layer of air or gas between them, acting as a barrier to heat and cold. They are a great option for most homes in Crestview, offering solid insulation and energy efficiency. Triple-glazed windows provide an extra layer of glass, making them even more effective at insulating your home. These windows are ideal for homes in areas that experience more extreme weather conditions or if you are looking for the highest possible energy efficiency. By reducing the amount of heat that escapes or enters your home, double and triple glazed windows can drastically reduce the amount of energy required to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. This can lead to significant savings on your heating and cooling costs. Low E glass. Reducing heat transfer. Or low E, low emissivity glass is another excellent option for improving energy efficiency in your home. Low E glass is coated with a thin layer of metal oxide that reflects heat and ultraviolet (UV) rays while allowing visible light to pass through. Winter benefits. In cold weather, low E glass reflects heat back into your home, preventing it from escaping through the windows and keeping your home warmer. Summer benefits. In the warmer months, low E glass reflects the sun's heat, helping to keep your home cooler and reducing the need for air conditioning. Low E windows are highly effective in reducing your home's overall energy consumption and preventing the harmful effects of UV rays, which can fade your furniture, curtains, and flooring. These windows help maintain a comfortable indoor climate year-round, whether it's the scorching summer heat or the cooler winter temperatures in Crestview. ENERGY STAR certified windows. Certified efficiency. When replacing windows, it's important to choose products that meet energy efficiency standards. ENERGY STAR certified windows are designed to meet rigorous energy performance standards set by the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. These windows undergo extensive testing for factors like thermal insulation, air leakage, and solar heat gain to ensure they meet or exceed the necessary efficiency requirements for homes in specific climates, including Crestview. ENERGY STAR rated windows are a great investment for homeowners looking for reliable energy savings. By choosing certified windows, you can rest assured that you're making an eco-friendly choice that will not only lower your utility bills but also help reduce your home's carbon footprint. Fiberglass and vinyl frames. Durability and insulation. While the glass in your windows plays a major role in energy efficiency, the frame material is equally important. The frame is the structure that holds the glass in place, and its material can either enhance or detract from the window's insulating properties. Fiberglass frames are one of the best options for energy-efficient windows. They are highly durable, low maintenance, and have excellent insulating properties. Fiberglass frames are resistant to warping, shrinking, and expansion, ensuring that your windows maintain their seal and insulation capabilities over time. Vinyl frames are another affordable and energy-efficient option. Vinyl is naturally insulating, helping to reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks. Additionally, vinyl frames are moisture-resistant and low maintenance, making them ideal for homes in humid climates like Crestview. Both fiberglass and vinyl frames contribute to a window's overall energy efficiency, helping to maintain your home's indoor climate and reduce energy consumption. Custom window solutions for Crestview homes. Every home is unique, and so are its window replacement needs. If your home has specific architectural features or you need windows that fit non-standard openings, custom window solutions may be the best choice. Professional window installers can help you design and create windows that meet both your aesthetic and functional needs while ensuring that they are energy efficient. Custom windows can be tailored to include high-performance glass, energy-efficient coatings, and insulating frames, ensuring that your window replacement project delivers maximum value. Whether you need large picture windows, bay windows, or windows that match a historic style, custom solutions allow you to achieve the look you want without sacrificing energy savings. Window treatments for added efficiency. In addition to selecting energy-efficient windows, you can further enhance your home's energy performance with window treatments such as solar shades, blinds, or curtains. These treatments can help manage solar heat gain, reduce glare, and provide additional insulation. Thermal curtains or insulated blinds are particularly effective in keeping the cold out during the winter and blocking heat in the summer. Solar shades can reduce heat and light from the sun, helping to keep rooms cooler and more comfortable without blocking natural light completely. By combining energy-efficient windows with the right window treatments, you'll optimize your home's insulation, reduce your energy bills, and enhance comfort. Conclusion. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options is one of the most impactful ways to improve your home's comfort, reduce utility costs, and increase its value in Crestview. Whether you choose double or triple glazing, low-E glass, fiberglass frames, or ENERGY STAR certified windows, each option offers distinct benefits that can significantly enhance your home's performance. Additionally, custom solutions and window treatments can provide extra layers of insulation and help optimize your investment. By upgrading your windows, you're not only enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal but also making a smart, long-term investment that benefits both your finances and the environment.